हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। एंड स्क्रीन पर आप कुछ क्वेश्चंस देख पा रहे होंगे। ये सारे के सारे क्वेश्चंस रिलेटेड हैं ड्यूल नेचर ऑफ मैटर फिजिक्स। और ये सारे के सारे क्वेश्चंस जो है जेई मेंस 2024 के पेपर्स के अंदर पूछे गए हैं। ओनली मैंने 3 क्वेश्चंस यहाँ पर पुटअप किए हैं और भी बहुत सारे ऐसे क्वेश्चंस हैं जो पूछे गए हैं। तो इन प्रकार के जो क्वेश्चंस है इनको आप सीधे हैंडल कर सकते हैं ओनली कुछ फॉर्मूलों की मदद से, हेल्प से। उन फॉर्मूलों को जो है मैं आपको आज बताने जा रहा हूँ। ठीक है, कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर्मूलेज हैं, ऑलमोस्ट 10 इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर्मूलेज हैं जिनकी हेल्प से आप इनको कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं आसानी से और अच्छा स्कोर कर सकते हैं। ओके, लेट्स स्टार्ट। तो अपने ड्यूल नेचर ऑफ मैटर के इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर्मूलेज सीरीज के अंदर जो अपना पहला फॉर्मूला है वो है एनर्जी ऑफ ए फोटोन, दैट इज इक्वल टू h इंटू न्यू। H is a Planck constant, 6.626 into 10 to the power minus 34 joule per second. It is the important formula. Second is the C is equal to lambda into nu, where lambda is the wavelength and nu is the frequency of a photon. And value of the C is equal to 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. In general, you can replace the C with V. Okay, V is the velocity. And third important formula and most famous formula is Newton's Einstein's E is equal to mc square, energy equivalent formula. Okay, and you can replace m is equal to E by c square, and E by c square E की जगह आप replace कर सकते हैं h nu upon c square. And you can also call the m effective mass of photon. If energy of photon is given to you and C is the constant, the value of C is given you 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second, then you can easily calculate the m. Okay, it is the also important formula. Fourth अपना formula है momentum of a photon, that is equal to h by lambda. Lambda is the wavelength and you can replace lambda by c by nu, that is equal to h nu upon c, and h nu equal to energy, that is by E upon c. So the momentum of a photon is given by E upon c. You can easily calculate. Okay, fifth अपना important formula intensity का. If a monochromatic source of power p giving you, then at a distance r, the intensity is given by p by 4 pi r square, where 4 pi r square is a area of the area of a sphere of radius r. Okay, we have to imagine a hollow sphere of radius r, and then we calculate the intensity of that power source at a distance r by the formula p by 4 pi r square. Okay, so these are our 5 formulae, important formulas. नेक्स्ट अपना इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर्मूला है, सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर्मूला है आइंस्टाइन का फोटो इलेक्ट्रिक इक्वेशन, एच न्यू इज इक्वल टू एच न्यू नोड प्लस हाफ एम स्क्वायर, वेयर h nu is the energy of a photon and h nu node is the work required to put out the electron from the surface, and we call it work function. Okay, what we call it? Work function. So W is equal to W node plus half m square, where W node is work function, and the formula of W node is equal to h nu node, where nu node is the threshold frequency, and we can replace it by C by lambda node, where lambda node is the threshold wavelength. And what is the definition of the threshold frequency? The minimum frequency. And what is the definition of threshold wavelength? The maximum wavelength. Okay, remind it, most important thing. And eighth अपना important formula है EV node is equal to half mv m square. Here please note that V node is the voltage applied to that charged particle, or we can say electron or proton. V node is the voltage and Vm is the velocity. So if we apply a voltage of V node on a particle of charge E, then the maximum velocity is equal to square root of 2 into V node into E by mass of proton या electron या फिर particle. Okay, it is also important formula. नाइन्थ सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट एंड कॉमन फॉर्मूला है जो कि पूछा जा सकता है डी ब्रोगली वेवलेंथ का, दैट इज इक्वल टू h by p. h is a Planck constant and p is the momentum, that is equal to h by m into v, mass and velocity. And it is also equal to lambda is equal to h by square root of 2 into m into k, where k is the kinetic energy of that particle and m is the mass, and this is calculated by the relation of p square बराबर 2mk. Here p square बराबर 2mk. This is the relation between the kinetic energy and a momentum of a particle, and previous relation was calculated by that formula. Okay, p square बराबर 2mk, this formula. And now I am giving you some shortcut formulas for electron, proton, alpha and neutron for de Broglie wavelength. Here you are asked directly a question by giving you voltage value. Okay, in जो examiner है वो आपको देगा voltage की value and you have to calculate the de Broglie wavelength directly. And I am giving you formula like lambda of E electron is equal to 12.27 angstrom upon square root of V. Lambda of proton is equal to 0.286 angstrom upon square root of V. Lambda of alpha is equal to 0.101 angstrom upon under root V, where V is the voltage applied on that particle. And lambda of neutron is equal to 0.286 angstrom upon under root E, where E is the energy and electron volt. Here E is not a voltage, here E is the energy, because neutron is a neutral particle. It have no charges, and that is why we cannot apply on it voltage. It have energy. Okay. Last and important formula है 2 pi Rn is equal to lambda n. When जब एक इलेक्ट्रॉन जो है एक अपने ऑर्बिट के अंदर जो सर्कल करता है, चक्कर लगाता है, तो उसकी जो वेवलेंथ है वो जो है उसकी जो रेडियस है, जो उसका पूरा का पूरा एक सर्कल का जो पूरा का पूरा पाथ है, दैट इज इक्वल टू 2 पाई आर, वो होता है एकदम पूर्ण गुणज होता है उसकी वेवलेंथ का. एंड वी कैन से दैट होल मल्टीपल ऑफ द वेवलेंथ ऑफ दैट पार्टिकल. ठीक है. एंड वी कैन से इजीली से दैट द पाथ traveled by that particle in one circle is equal to the whole multiple of wavelength of that particle. It is also an important formula. And now you are able to solve that questions that previous year PYQs very easily by these formulas. Okay, thank you.